Divas at? Where are my crochet divas? YouTube, it's your girl Marcita V at a new video. This time a crochet braid install, and the hair that I'm using this time is from Motown Tress. It is their true 3 times goddess deep 20 inches in color 1. This hair I received courtesy of Diva Tress. A big shout out to them one more time. Thank you very much. Now I just wanted to let you know that the styles that I've reviewed for Diva Tress are crochet styles that I saw on their website that I really liked and wanted to try. Take for instance this Motown Tress Goddess Deep. What I really like about this style is that it's kind of a modified goddess lock. So you don't have the lock all the way down to shoulder length. It's more or less about 4 or 5 inches, and the majority of the hair is kind of a deep twist or deep wave. I don't remember seeing any other brand with the goddess style quite like this, and so that's what really attracted me to this hair and really made me want to try. This is the stock card. This is Motown Tress's 3 times goddess deep 20 inches, and it comes in 10 colors including solids and some mixed colors. It's 3 times the hair, so this is how it comes in the pack. This is 1 bundle. You get 3 bundles. Each bundle has 12 strands for a total of 36 strands in a pack, which I think is really good for that price. Now this hair was fast to install. It took me a little longer than I anticipated. I was thinking maybe an hour, under an hour. It actually took maybe an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes to install, which is still not bad. It is pre-looped, as you can see, and you do get an ample sized loop. The only thing that I did not like about the loop is that it is not a stiff loop like you get on a lot of faux locks. It's more of a folded loop, I would say. So what I encountered on some of the strands is that the loop split like this upon manipulation. Now, of course, this didn't happen with the majority of the hair, just in a few instances. I think when I was probably rushing to try and install the hair as fast as possible, it happened enough times to bring it to my attention, so I wanted to pass that tip along to you so you'll know if you do buy this hair, when you're installing it, just be careful to insert your latch hook through the center of the loop to avoid splitting the strands. I think this style would be perfect for someone who's looking for a different type of goddess lock, who likes faux locks but still kind of partial to your pre-curled hair, because you get the best of both worlds. You got a short faux lock and you still have your full long pre-curled ends. So the hair is 20 inches long, and on me that hits right at and below bust. And I will do a 360 to give you a look from all angles. YouTube, that's the 411 I have for you on the Motown Tress Goddess Deep 20. Now again, this hair is available online at www.divatress.com. I'll be sure to post their link in the description box. Click on that, check out this hair and all the other great styles they have available. If you have any questions, comments, anything I did not touch on in this video, post those down below. Also, I'll be sure to get back with you. Thank you so much for watching YouTube. I truly appreciate you. I am out for now. That's all for this weekend, but I'll be back. And you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.